Finding a color e-reader that doesn't cost a fortune has always felt impossible. Budget options are usually flimsy, while premium models bury you under $300 price tags. But what if I told you there's now a $169 e-reader with features that used to be exclusive to the high-end? This is the Bigme B6 Color, and it's breaking the mold. With Android 14, Google Play access, and even capacitive touch buttons, it's redefining what a budget device can be. Let's see why this might just be the most disruptive e-reader of the year. Bigme calls its approach feather frame, and the name fits. At just 6.98 millimeters thick and 176 grams, it's lighter than most paperbacks. But the real standout is what's beneath the screen: capacitive touch buttons. No mushy mechanical switches, just smooth, reliable navigation that feels premium in every tap. The 6-inch colored e-ink display hits 300 ppi for crisp black and white text and 150 ppi for color content. Plus, with 2 Rhineland certification, 0 blue light, and flicker-free tech, you can read for hours without frying your eyes, something LCD screens can't compete with. And here's where the B6 really pulls ahead. It runs Android 14 with full Google Play Store access. That means you're not locked to one ecosystem. Download Kindle, Kobo, Libby, or any app you want and jump between them instantly. It's a freedom you won't find on most e-readers, especially at this price. Powered by an octa-core processor and 4 GB of RAM, it stays smooth whether you're flipping pages or managing multiple apps. And with a 2100 mAh battery, you'll still get weeks of use on a single charge, just like the best e-readers on the market. Storage starts at 64 GB, but supports SD card expansion up to 1 TB, enough for 2 million books. Add in clear audiobook playback, sleep timers, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even a foldable case in 5 different colors, and this starts looking less like a budget device and more like a premium steal. The Bigme B6 Color democratizes features that once lived in the $300 range. Capacitive buttons, Android Freedom, color e-ink, and expandable storage, all for $169. In a world where affordable usually means compromised, this e-reader proves that sometimes the best innovations come at the best prices. What do you think? Does the Bigme B6 Color finally make color e-readers worth buying? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up.